Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. And today I thought I would do a video that I think I will enjoy. So I'm hoping you guys will enjoy it too. And I just wanted to share like aspects of my self-care that I absolutely love and adore, that I continuously tap into, that I think has been really helpful for me throughout all phases of life, especially in 2020 and especially in the last few months that have been a bit hard with my dad's passing. But I continue. We soldier forward. Is my mic recording? Yes, my mic is recording. Okay, so most of these you guys probably are gonna guess it already, because I guess I'm a creature of habit and you probably would have heard me talk about it all the time. But reading is something that I absolutely adore. I don't think I've ever given you guys like a room tour, but I have like a whole bunch of books. I have books everywhere, on every side of the room, including underneath my bed. And I wanted to share 3 books that these are not new books. One of them is new, so I'll start with the old ones first. But these are 3 books that I am absolutely loving. These 2 I have gone back to time and time again. This one I bought it back when I was at university, so I must have been like 21 or 20, and in the last 10 or so years I have read it maybe 50 times. So the first book is this one by Ayala. So it is 40 Days and 40 Nights Towards Spiritual Strength and Personal Growth, and it's called One Day My Soul Just Opened Up. I love it so much. One time we did like a girls retreat because one of our friends was like going through a lot at home, and we just all sat down in a circle just holding each other, and I literally read excerpts from this every morning while we were on our retreat. It was like a no technology retreat. It was amazing. But this is such an amazing book. I would recommend it to anybody who's just trying to do the self-work that it takes to be the person that you want to be, the person that you're destined to be, your happier self, your higher self, your content self, yourself that looks in the mirror and is just proud of what you see. This is a really good book that I would recommend. The next one is I Declare 31 Promises to Speak Over Your Life by Joel Osteen. So if you're a Christian, this is a Christian book. And I really like this. And usually what I do is the beginning of every year I like to do this. So every January I like to go through and make some of these declarations over my life. Day 2. I declare I will experience God's faithfulness. I will not worry. I will not doubt. I will keep my trust in Him, knowing that He will not fail me. I will give birth to every promise God puts in my heart, and I will become everything God created me to be. This is my declaration. So it's 31 days of amazing declarations that you can say to yourself every morning, every night. And I found this to be extremely helpful. And the next book I'm recommending to you guys is by Alexandra L. I've been following Alex. I don't even know if she realizes how long I've been following her, but I've been following Alex from like Tumblr, and I was part of the Tumblr community before I started YouTube, and I love her writing. So this is called After the Rain: Gentle Reminders for Healing, Courage and Self-Love. And this book, I pre-ordered it, and it came the day before my dad passed away. So I just felt like God delivered it for me because I needed it. And so this is what it looks like. Such an amazing book. I will link all of these below so you guys can check them out. I know a lot of the time when we think about self-care, most people are thinking of the kind of more physical aspects of things, which is, you know, pampering yourself, being good to yourself physically, giving yourself physical things that you enjoy. which is great. I'm also a big fan of that. I like to indulge in rituals that bring wellness into my life. One of my favorite things to do every Monday night is to take like the most amazing hot long bath with candles, music, and a glass of sparkling elderflower, and just relax, you know, just zone in and zone into myself. And I partnered with Look Fantastic to bring you guys some amazing deals, because Cyber Weekend is coming, especially with lockdown part 2, and most of the world is still kind of in lockdown and didn't really come out of it. So you have to pamper yourself a little bit, you know, pamper yourself a little bit. So I picked up a few things I wanted to show you guys, give you a little peek into what a self-care session could look like for me, especially on a Monday night.
You want to feel love, or if you want to give love, like no expectations, man. There shouldn't be any expectations, you know. Yeah, there's no like formula either, you know, on how to love someone. There's no formula on how to love yourself either, you know. But for you to love someone.
I hope you guys enjoyed my little session. This is one that's not gonna come as a shock to you, but just caring for my plants has been so healing for me. Especially when I'm down. I find that especially when I'm down, it's nice for me to take the focus off myself and put it into something else. And for me, my plant care has been that thing for me. It's been so rewarding. Just to see them flourishing gives me hope. It gives me like daily life reminders that this is just the cycle of life. This is how things work. And we heal, you know, we heal, we grow, we flourish, as long as we continue to be nurtured and nourish ourselves with whatever it is that we need. And for me, it's like my plants are a way for me to keep connected to God in a very fantastical way. Is fantastical a word? I don't even know. But I was telling my friend the other day that I just have this strong connection with nature. I have a strong connection with just nurturing and nature in its essence. And a lot of my root scriptures that I really gravitate to, that I find I come across often, especially in hard times, are all scriptures that are connected to like growing and roots and fruits and stuff like that. So harvest and so yeah. Anyway, plant care. I always get all gaudy on you guys, but yeah, plant care is something that I've really enjoyed, and I've encouraged so many of you guys to like jump on board and become plant moms, and I love that. I get so many messages on Instagram of so many of you that have kind of dipped into this side of self-care. It's like the selfless side of self-care, because I feel like sometimes self-care can be kind of too self-indulgent. And so having aspects of your self-care that isn't necessarily directly about you can also be very liberating. And I think that's why I just love it so much. So that's one way that you can do self-care. You know, when you think about it, wellness is like a holistic thing, and it's not just about eating healthy and, you know, keeping your mind right and, you know, using like natural products or whatever the case is. it's also about physically putting yourself in a fit space, a space where you're healthy, a space where you feel good physically. A lot of us, I feel like we tend to ignore that side of wellness, especially me, like I said. But yeah, I've been doing real well, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd have seen, like, I've been in the gym working on my bad boys. Nothing there yet, but it brings me a lot of joy to see my progress, and more importantly, it brings me a lot of joy to see me try, to see me put the effort in, and to see me stick to it and attain like certain goals. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm excited for the journey to get there. I'm looking forward to looking back one day and being like, okay girl, with your chiseled abs, okay. And so yeah, I don't know if these forms of self-care will be helpful for any of you. I'm hoping it will. Definitely check out my books. Watch some of my plant videos. I'm going to link them. I'm also going to link some book reviews that I've done in the past. I think that might be helpful in case somebody's looking for maybe some like fiction. This is not really fiction, but yeah, anyway, any type of books is great. And I think I might have had like a failed exercise conversation type video on here somewhere. If I find it, I'll link it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you also enjoyed my little self-care session. Definitely check out Look Fantastic and use my code. Get you some cute stuff to, you know, feel good and save some coins. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.